My name's Heath Kelly, I'm the Assistant Park Manager at Fingal Bay. We've got two new exciting roles at Fingal Bay, amenities and maintenance cleaners. It's a really big park. Our grounds team have their hands full maintaining and keeping all our facilities up to our scratch, and we just need a hand.
A typical day at Fingal Bay Holiday Park with the maintenance and amenities cleans would be providing a service for the general public who are holidaying here. It's typically just cleaning, washing, wiping benches, toilet showers, providing a healthy, clean environment for our guests. The benefits for working at Fingal Bay Holiday Park would definitely be the location and the team. We've got a great team here. We all get on well, we're all flexible, we all jump in and help each other when needed. There's never an issue here, and right across the road from one of the best beaches in the country. So that's what I like about it. So if you want to come and work with me at this beautiful holiday park in Port Stephens, head to Council's website and apply now.